In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Chrome in PC/laptop Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. Vertical bar, Google Chrome Update Kais Karen. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer or laptop. Once Chrome is open, move your cursor to the top right corner of the browser window. There you will see the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Click on that icon to open the main Chrome menu. After the menu opens, scroll down toward the bottom until you find Help. Place your cursor over Help to expand the next set of options. When that submenu appears, click on About Google Chrome. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically start checking for the latest update. You do not need to search manually or press any extra button in most cases. If an update is available, Chrome will begin downloading it right away. While the update is being checked or downloaded, stay on that page and let the process finish. You may see progress information on the screen, which helps confirm that Chrome is updating properly. If Chrome is already up to date, you will usually see a message letting you know that you are using the latest version. If an update has been installed, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser to complete the update. If you see that option, make sure you save any work in open tabs first, then restart Chrome so the new version can be applied correctly. That covers everything you need to know.